So if you're like me and you're running your entire YouTube channel from your iPad or even your iPhone, you're probably quite familiar with iMovie. But iMovie only exports video in a landscape format that is perfect for YouTube but not so much for other social media platforms. The best format for Facebook videos is actually a square. So if you're deciding to create content for Facebook, you can still use iMovie to edit your videos. You're going to want to export your iMovie project at the highest quality possible and save it to your camera roll. Then you're going to open the Keynote app. Once you have your Keynote app open, create a blank presentation. It will take you to a screen to choose your theme. You can just select either a plain white or plain black presentation. Then click on the plus sign in the top right hand corner. Click Add Video and select from the camera roll the video you exported from iMovie. Then you select the slide and from the pop-up menu select Edit. This will allow you to edit the master slide. On the master slide, you can delete the text box if you desire, or you can leave it if you want to have text going across your video. Click on the paintbrush icon in the top right hand corner and select background and then color in order to change the color of the slide. You can change the color of the slide to a gradient, or you can change it to an image. You're going to want to allow layering so that you could place video, images, and text on top of the slide. Once you have finished selecting the desired background for your slide, you can select Done. You can resize the video on the slide so that the background shows up. On the screen are the steps you can take to resize the slide and by extension resize your video. So first you're going to click on the three dots in the top right hand corner and then Document Setup. On the bottom right you will see Slide Size. Once you select this option, you can change the size of the slide to a square. You will also see other options and a custom option. Now this will take a while to load into a square. Once this is finished, you will see solid bars above and below, or even an entire border around your video. You can rearrange or delete the text box. You can either expand your video to fill up the whole square, which will cut out the sides of your actual video, or you can use the bars as borders above and below and place text in the form of titles or subtitles within these areas. Now, if you watch videos on Facebook, you may have noticed this type of format with the colored bars above and below the video, which is still in the traditional landscape format. And you will see that they put the title of the video or a caption on the top that explains the topic of the video, and at the bottom you will see that they use that to subtitle the video, because most of the videos on Facebook are listened without audio. So if you want me to do a video on how you will subtitle your videos using Keynote and this type of formatting, let me know in the comments down below. Once you are satisfied with the video, click the three dots and then export. Export it as a movie with a high resolution, either 1080p or 4K, and 30 fps or 60 fps. The final video will take a while to be exported, but it will be exported to your camera roll, from which you can then upload the video to Facebook. So if you want to make vertical videos, say for Instagram or TikTok, you can just use the custom slide size and change it to the vertical orientation, which is just the reverse of the landscape orientation within Keynote, and there you go. If you want a more in-depth tutorial on how to do that, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video.